All right, everybody. Once again, I am back in the garage. I am doing more body work. Obviously, I am trying my hardest to get the shell of this car done before it gets too cold. I will be able to get it primed, but I'm really trying to get it painted before winter. That way, during winter, I can put the engine in, put interior in, and do all that stuff while it's cold out for the next 6 months. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna make that or not. I am doing the body filler and fixing all the dents. All of the supplies that I'm using to do this, I will leave in the description on a lot of these videos. So stuff like the body filler, the fiberglass, the DA paper, the sandpaper, all of that stuff, I'm gonna leave links in the description. So if you guys wanna use the same stuff that I'm using, it'll be there. The sanding blocks, anything I can link to on Amazon, I will leave there for you guys to check out. So if you are watching this, watching me do the body work on this, check that stuff out, click at the links. If you do buy anything, it does help my channel, so I do appreciate it. So I'll show you right now what I got going on so far. The other day I finished blocking everything and I got some body filler on. So I got a couple dents on the roof with some body filler. I fixed this big dent where they had just hammered it in and covered up with body filler, so I got that on. I also welded up these two cracks right here. There's cracks on each side, so I welded those up. I got to do a little bit of fiberglass on that before I do the body filler. And then on this side where I did the big patch, I put fiberglass on there, and now I put body filler on there as well. So I'm just gonna go around and this is what I do every day at work because I'm a body guy. You just put filler on, sand it off, put it on until it's straight. So that is what the plan is today. If I could get everything you see here, looking good with body filler, with it being straight and it's almost ready to prime, then I'm going to be really happy. I got to take the doors apart at some point. We got new handles, we got new rubbers and all that stuff anyway. So I need to take those apart so I can finish sanding around the handle. I gotta take the doors off so I can sand down the hinges where there's a lot of paint on there. As you guys know from watching this before and seeing how many layers of paint, this thing has been painted 4 times. So I don't typically like to put body filler right over paint, but in this instance, because it's not a show car, this is just a runner, and the fact that there's so much coats of paint, if I ground all of this down, then I will end up with so many highs and low spots that I'm just not going to do it with this. So I used 80 grit on my block and on the sander to give all this paint a really good bite for the body filler to hook onto. Obviously it'll be fine. It's not typically what you should do. It should go on bare metal, but I know a lot of people do this anyways. So that's what I got going on. I will update you guys when I do some more and come back later as we see how this day progresses.